Oh, and I bet up.
Good job.
Here we go. We're gonna launch to the moon. We're gonna launch to the moon. Are you ready? Let's hit a jackpot. All right, so we have made it on the moon race. Going for that $59,000 or any one of those beautiful progressive jackpots. We are at the Blue Chip Casino in Michigan City, Indiana.
We're ready to win that mega major. $9 grand.
Are you ready?
Build it.
Let's hit a jackpot. $75 spins. So for this game, we almost had it. We need 3 of those or 6 of those. Come on.
A lot of good looking orbs.
And this guy right here, he is our wild child. Full screen of him would be nice too.
Oh, the astronaut man?
Yeah.
Call him Neil.
Neil. Okay, Neil. Oh, bonus. And on 75.
Nicely done.
Alright.
What do you think?
Yeah, for all of our friends on TikTok.
TikTok, Instagram.
Okay, so we got the bonus game, $75 a spin. Blue Chip Casino. Are you ready? Here we go.
Is it a jackpot?
Come on, 3 more. Oh.
That looked good.
It did look good. No dead spins. Come on.
Major.
Oh my goodness.
All the bad spins out of the way.
Bonus and a bonus. Alright, first win. Alright, last one, make it count. 2 more.
Yes.
And on the last spin, the suspense is for real.
Needed.
Needed. Alright, here we go. Can we land the major? Let's go. Okay.
See some green.
Come on, major. Come on, major.
Grand would work too.
Save the day right here.
Or 1,500.
$15.75.
Not bad.
All right. All right, and we're back. Are you ready?
Do it. Thank you.
All right, let's hit another jackpot. I'm really trying to go for that major, which is at $7,650.
That'd be a nice one to get.
Can we land it? Oh, moonrace. It was right there, and it was right there.
Saw them.
Huh. Our wild child coming through. Oh, I fast tapped it. I did not mean to do that. That was an accident.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Really? Really? You gave me 3 on the first reel and on nothing else? Huh.
Oh, really? Moonrace. Moonrace is being moonrace. We got a bonus on this one, I think, on a $250 spin, and it never pays.
Yeah, I know. Come
We're
on.
gonna beat the odds, though.
Oh my gosh, it was right there again. It's good luck.
Does it?
my goodness. I heard the peacock. Ah,
I heard it too.
ah. Of course I didn't get the peacock bonus.
Since they didn't want you to scream like a peacock. Yeah, saving the audience. Brutal.
Wow. 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 Pressing of the bolt.
Pressing of the bolt.
Ooh.
Bow.
All right, so we've made it on the Magic Pearl. Hopefully it can be a magical experience for all of us. Going for that grand jackpot of $50,000 or any one of those progressives.
Ooh.
All right, my dear.
Do it, baby.
So 50 cent on this is $32.50.
$37.50.
$37.50.
62,
That's
right.
62. Okay. That's what I was looking for. So for this game, we need 6 of the pearls or 3 of the flippers. That guy. And the mermaid, she is our wild child. Oh no, thank you.
No, thank you. Not bad. $2.25.
Can we get a bonus game? Come on.
Ah.
Almost had it. My touchdown.
Dude.
Come on, 3 more. Really? That'll be a little something. Ooh, that would have been more. Come on, 2 more. Oh, got it. And you pushed it. All right, well, it's all you.
It's all me.
It's all you. Bump, bump, bump.
Major.
Bump, bump, bump. Bump, bump, bump. It needed your lucky touch.
Did.
All right. Mini. All right, we've got $2,000, $2,500 orders up there.
Major.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on. Land the major. Land the major.
We need the 12,500 orb.
Or that one.
Good.
Just needed 1 more 0, but you called it.
Major. Save the day.
Come on, save the day. Whack. Wow, what a hit. Good job.
It's a good hit.
I just needed your touch, my dear.
Figured it would have been more coming through there. Back to back.
And we're back.
Yeah.
Yes. We are going to try to do it again. Oh, nothing. Oh, it wasn't 3 of a kind. Nah.
Oh.
Got that
Dolphin Man.
mermaid.
Dolphin Man.
Come on, little flipper. Come on, my little flipper. No. Okay, fine. Come on. Really? I got excited and nothing happened. Oh, Magic Pearl.
The emotions.
The emotions of playing.
Do it now.
Wow.
Wow.
Well, that was it on Miss Magic Pearl. All right, so we have made it back onto the moon race.
The races of the
going
moon.
for that $59,000 grand jackpot. You're at the Blue Chip Casino in Michigan City, Indiana.
Beautiful.
All right, are you ready? You want to do $75 spins, or you want me to mix it between?
Whatever you want, baby.
I know, I'm asking you.
I'll do 50 and 75, but
Okay.
it's up to you.
Just looking for.
Keep it spicy.
I got you. You're spicy.
I'm a spicy guy.
So for this game, you need 3 of those or 6 of these to hit a jackpot. Come on, 3
That's
more,
nice.
3 more, 3 more. Oh, and I bet up.
Good job.
Here we go. We're gonna launch to the moon. We're gonna launch to the moon. Are you ready?
Do it.
Let's hit a jackpot. No, not what I was looking for. Come
Overdue
on.
on the major. Overdue on the major.
Yes. Can we get the major? Major, major, major. I'm putting it out there. Oh.
You actually need lots of reach hitters on this one, too.
Come on.
Interesting.
3
That's
more? Dirty dog. Oh my goodness. Blocked. Blocked. Alright, last spin, make it count.
Oh. Ooh. That was horrible.
Yeah. It says I need to re-put in my card.
What do you mean?
See how it says that?
Greens. Bonus eligible. No.
No?
You're fine.
Okay.
That's just gonna put it back onto your account.
No, I know. Okay. Can we get the major? 3 more? This game's so tough.
It really is. Come on, baby, you got this. Redeem yourself.
I know, I'm trying. Very hard. Come on. Really? That mini's at $1,000. And I got blocked by the moons. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we're good.
Yes,
Thank you.
thank you.
Appreciate it.
Oh my. Uh-huh.
Do we move?
You feeling it?
Yeah, not feeling
Yeah,
this
let's
one.
move. Let's move. We are moving. We are moving. All right, where would you like to move to? Ooh, I hope you enjoyed that session on all the different Lightning Link machines. Today's Who's Getting Lucky is coming to us from Michael Y. Now, Michael was playing Wheel of Fortune, and he was at the Palazzo in Las Vegas. Now, this was the very first machine that Michael sat down on, and he spent about $500 before he actually got the wheel feature. Now, this particular Wheel of Fortune, it's a 5-line Wheel of Fortune. He was on a $5 to non betting $25 a smack, and he got the, the wheel. So he got to spin the wheel on the Wheel of Fortune, and he hit this. Wow, Michael, $10,000. That is insane. I bet you freaked out when you hit that. That is such a great hit on this game. Congratulations. Thank you so much for sharing that win with all of us. If there's anybody out there that would like to participate in the next Who's Getting Lucky, and you have a crazy jackpot you just want to share with the world, head on over to my website. It's ladyluckhq.com. When you get there, select the contact form, and then from there, you can fill everything out and attach your photo. If you're new here and you haven't yet done so already, definitely subscribe to the channel if you're watching on YouTube, or follow along if you are watching on Facebook. I hope you guys are all having a magical day, and until next time, everybody, bye.